So good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hope you came after a one-day break. Hope you are energetic, eagerly waiting for the class. Okay, today we can continue with quantitative aptitude. Quantitative aptitude. Okay, quantitative aptitude. There we are learning seating plan. We are learning about seating plan. We are learning seating plan. Okay, that day, okay, seating plan, there are two types of seating plan. What are the two types of seating plan?
Linear and circular.
Linear and circular. Linear means sitting in a straight line. Today we are, okay, and we discussed two or three questions in that model. Now we are going to do problems based on circular model. Okay, write the question. 8 friends, KLM, 8 friends, KLM and OP and Q, KLM, OP and Q are sitting around a circular table, are sitting around a circular table, are sitting around a circular table.
Only 7 are there.
Sorry, I think J also is there. Okay, J, K, L. Start from J. If you start from J, you will get 8, isn't it? J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. 8 friends, J, K, L, M, N, O, P and Q are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Facing towards the center. Facing towards the center. Q is not a neighbor of N and M. Q is not a neighbor of N and M. Q is not a neighbor of N and M. Also, Q is sitting immediate left of J. Also, Q is sitting immediate left of J. Also, Q is sitting immediate left of J. P is the neighbor of N. P is the neighbor of N. P is the neighbor of N. O is the immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. L is sitting between N and Q. L is sitting between N and O, not Q. L is sitting between N and O. L is sitting between N and O. Now answer the following. Answer the following under that first question. Answer the following under that first question. Write the seating plan. Write the seating plan. Second one, write the neighbors of M. Write the neighbors of M. Third one, Third one, write the person sitting, just left of Q. Write the person sitting just left of Q. Write the person sitting just left of Q. Next one. Write the person sitting between L and P. Write the person sitting between L and P. Write the person sitting between L and P. Write the neighbors of K. Write the neighbors of K. Write the neighbors of K. Okay, can you try this, children? Okay, try this one. So what is given here? 8 friends are sitting around a circular table. So 8 friends are sitting. So we can give some 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 friends are sitting. Now what is given? Q is not the neighbor of N and M. Q is to the immediate left of J. Q is to the immediate left of J. Suppose J is sitting here means to the left of J we can have Q. Q is sitting to the immediate left of J. One second, children. Here we will not get Q is to the left of J, isn't it? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So Q is to the left of J. Q is to the left of J. So J is sitting here. So to the left side only we have Q. Then P is the neighbor of N. We can't set it. Okay, now look at the next one. O is the immediate to the right. Immediate right of K. O is immediate right of K. So this and all again a trial and error method only we can do. O is, so 8 persons are there. Q is not the neighbor of N and M. So Q is not coming closer to N and M. Q is sitting immediate left of J. So Q is sitting immediate left of J. That one we have marked. P is the neighbor of N. So suppose I am sitting P here. P is neighbor of N. So N may be coming here and here also. Both the cases are possible. Okay, P may be coming here and there. O is the immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. Suppose I am putting K here means O is the immediate right of K. L is sitting between N and O. L is sitting between N and O. So between N and O we have L. L is sitting between N and O. So whether you will be getting the first arrangement, whether all this 1, 2. So N we have 2 places we have selected. Suppose it is the position 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 persons only we have arranged. Now is the condition satisfied? You check it. Q is not the neighbor of N and M. Q is not the neighbor of N and M. So M is left out. Suppose we assign one position M here. Now whether you will get, check it. Okay, this and all are the trial methods you can do. Q is sitting immediate left of J. P is the neighbor of N. Okay, P is the neighbor of N. O is the immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. L is sitting between N and O. L is sitting between N and O. So whether we have arranged all the persons J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q. Is the condition, is it correct, children? Are you getting in that form? L, O, K. Then Q, J. Is it okay? Is it clear? Are you getting this one or some other one? Now is it satisfying all the conditions? You check once again. Karthik, are you getting this one?
Ma'am, I have one doubt.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, O is the immediate right of K.
Immediate
but
right.
it is sitting left of K.
K is here, isn't it? Okay. So when he sits here, to the right means O. K will be sitting. Okay. Okay, that circular arrangements, it will be again. One sec. K is sitting facing here. So here only you will get O. Okay, correct. K, okay, in a circular table. What about now? Is it okay? Again, then everything.
Ma'am, but L should come between N and O.
Then everything again we have to rearrange. Now, one second. Let me take the next one. Again, let me assign all the 8 positions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, everyone is facing to the center. Okay, let us start from there. Q is immediate left of G. Suppose J is here means Q is to the immediate left of G. Is it correct? Then it is O is the immediate right of K and L. K and L is sitting between N and O. So O is to the immediate right of K. Suppose this is K means, now whether is it okay? K is sitting to the right of O. And what is the next case given here? Now tell me, children, from here, if you are getting like this, you can tell me. Once you get the positions, you can tell. If you have got one arrangement, you tell me. KO. Then what's the next case given here? L is sitting between N and O. So L is sitting between N and O. Is it okay? L is sitting between N and O. Then Q cannot be the neighbor of N. Okay. Anyhow, Q is not coming. In between, 2 positions are left out. Q is not the neighbor of N. Then N and M. M is also, it's not his neighbor. Okay. Q is sitting to the left of J. P is the neighbor of N. P is the neighbor of N. So P is the neighbor of N. And m is also not the neighbor of q, isn't it? So we can't put m here. So what we can do, once again you have to think. P is the neighbor of n, so P should come here. So here we can't put m because m is not the neighbor of q. So where you will admit m? Suppose I put m here, will it work out? Check it. Again check it, children. Karthik, check it. Q is not the, start from the beginning or sitting towards the face. Q is not the neighbor of n and m. Okay, Q is not the neighbor of n and m. Q is sitting immediate left of J. Q is sitting to the immediate left of J. Then Q is not the neighbor of n and m. Q is not the neighbor of n and m. P is the neighbor of n. O is immediate right of K. O is immediate right of K. O is the immediate right of K. L is sitting between n and O. Now is it okay, children? The position of m only, by here we can't put, just I put marked it here. Now let's check the answer. What is the seating plan? So this is the seating plan you will get. Are you getting like this? Now tell me, write the neighbors of m. Who are the neighbors of m? Who are the neighbors of m?
J and K.
J and K. Who is the person sitting just left of Q? Who is the person just sitting left of Q? Who is sitting next left of Q? It is P. Write the person sitting between L and P. Between L and P, who is sitting?
N.
N. Write the neighbors of K. Neighbors of K are O and M. Neighbors of K are O and M. Okay, it's not that much easy as linear. Okay, because to the left, to the right, you have to think. Okay. Now, shall I give another question in this model, similar model? Are you ready? Okay, children, write the question. 7 boys, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z are sitting around a circular table. 7 boys, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Facing towards the center. Z is to the second left of W. Z is second to the left of W. Z is second to the left of W and is the neighbor of X and Y. And is the neighbor of X and Y. And is the neighbor of X and Y. W is not a neighbor of V or X. W is not a neighbor of V or X. W is not a neighbor of V or X. T is the neighbor of U and V. T is the neighbor of U and V. T is the neighbor of U and V. Write the seating arrangement. Write the seating arrangement. Write the neighbors of U. Write the neighbors of U. Write the neighbors of U. Who are the neighbors of X? Who are the neighbors of X? Who is third to the left of T? Who is third to the left of T? Who is third to the left of T? Next one. Who is sitting immediate right of Y? Who is sitting immediate right of Y? Who is sitting immediate right of Y? Try this one. Yes, children. Finished? Aishwarya? Got the answer, Aishwarya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. Okay, I'll mark the positions. Okay, 7 friends are there, isn't it? Let me name. Can you start from one point and you can give others? You can check 4, 5, 6, 7. Start from one point and tell me. Can you give the order?
Well, I started from 4.
4.
W's at 4.
Hmm.
Then at the 5th position, Y.
Hmm.
6th one, Z.
Hmm.
7th one, X.
Ah.
First one, V.
Hmm.
Then second one, T.
Hmm.
And then U.
You. What about the others? Are you getting this? This is you. Okay. Are you getting this? Is it the same? Check it, children. Read the question and check it. Let's just check, is it correct? Okay.
Ma'am, I got different one.
You got different one. Okay. We can draw both and we can check which one is correct. Okay. We can't say this is the correct one. Okay. Let's try which one is correct. Hey, 1 second. Ah, the previous one, in the same one I can draw. Okay, tell me, Karthik. Once again, let me mark this one. Okay, you give it in a particular order. 7 friends. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. From which one you are going to start?
Ma'am, seventh one.
7th one. Okay.
X,
X,
Z,
Z,
Y,
Y,
W,
W,
U,
U,
T,
P.
V.
What about Aparna? Are you? What is the next one you are getting here?
Ma'am, I'm doing.
You are doing. Okay. I think more or less is the same thing only you will get. One of you is moving here. Check it here. Here, if we move in clockwise direction, X, V, T, U, V, W, Y, Z. Here, if we move in a clockwise, we are not getting. But if we move anti-clockwise, X, V, T, order is same only you are getting. T, U, W, Y, Z. Huh? Do you understand, Karthik? Huh? In both the cases, we will get the same. Okay, only the view is changed. Look, let's just check whether it satisfies the condition, whether both. Okay, 7 friends are sitting around a circular table facing towards the center. Set this to the next second to the left of W. Set this to the left of W. If you take W, he is at this side. Okay, that condition is satisfied here. If I make W, W will be sitting like this, isn't it? Is that no? Huh? So where will be his left? Whether this one or this side you will get left, Karthik. Do you understand, Karthik, what's the mistake you did?
Yes, ma'am.
Huh? Here it is left. If it's okay, imagine you are sitting in this position. So where you will get your left side? This side only we will get left and this side only we will get right. Is that no? So here only we will get. So this one, okay, although the arrangement is correct, it is not satisfying. Now let us check this one. Is it correct? It is W. Then he is sitting to the second left and is the neighbor of X. And he is the neighbor of X. Okay, here the second condition is also satisfied. W is not a neighbor of V or X. W is not a neighbor of V or X. That is also satisfied. T is the neighbor of U and V. T is the neighbor of U and V. Okay. So this one is satisfying the condition. How you did this, Aishwarya? You give the tips.
Nothing much. I just follow the steps.
Okay. So this is what we say is sometimes you will get, sometimes they may go wrong. Again, don't get worried. You try it again next time. You don't look into the same figure. You try it again. Aparna, did you get the answer?
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Karthik, your method is correct. The thing is only the left and right is changed. Okay, Karthik? Only the
Okay, ma'am.
left and right position. That position only slightly arrangements is changed. Now look at here. Now let us answer the remaining question. Write the neighbors of U. Who are the neighbors of U? Neighbors of U. W and T. Neighbors of U are W and T. Who are the neighbors of X? Neighbors of X? Z and V, isn't it? Who is third to the left of T? Who is third to the left of T? So T will be sitting like this. So left of T means this side. So who is sitting third to the left of T? Y. Isn't it? Who is sitting to the third left of T? It is Y. Then Who is sitting immediate right of Y? It is W. Who is sitting immediate right of Y? It is W. Is it okay? Seating plan physically, are you able to understand this, children? Okay. Next, we are going to do some problems based on speeds. Write the heading, time and distance. So this, all these things comes under the heading quantitative aptitude. When you go for any bank exam, any competitive exam, quantitative aptitude will be there, reasoning will be there. Okay. So here, this, all these things comes under quantitative. So next is the few problems we are going to do based on time and distance. What is the formula connecting time and distance, speed? What's the formula we have learned? Distance is equal to
Speed by time.
this. Distance is
Speed into time.
speed into time. Distance is speed into time. Okay, note down. To convert, okay, suppose we are given in kilometer per hour. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per seconds. To convert kilometer per hour to meter per seconds, multiply by 5 by 18. Again, to convert meter per second to kilometer per hour, multiply by 18 by 5. Multiply by 18 by 5. Now, let's do problems based on this. Okay, here also you can speed, formula connecting speed, distance and time. Speed
Distance
is
is equal to speed into time.
so speed is
Distance by time.
okay, children. So time up. Okay, we can meet in the next class. Okay, I end this session now. We'll be doing problems based on speed and distance in the next class. Thank you, children.